I'll quickly introduce myself. My name is Sumit Dhawan. I'm the president at VMware. It's been a few months since we started hearing more and more from customers, as well as in my one or two trips to Brussels from the policymakers and from all of our partners that clearly there is a need for customers related to sovereign cloud. And we said it's important that we bring the people from the industry, whether it's technologists, our partners, policymakers, customers, together for this really important topic. So I'd like to welcome you to our first Sovereign Cloud Summit. And there are, as I look around the room, what you'll find is there are people from the enterprises, people from cloud provider partners that are from VMware, of course, VMware employees, as well as few policymakers that are together discussing this important topic. Every time I spend time with customers, especially in Europe, and not just in Europe, even in other countries, but even more so in Europe, the whole objective when we think about digital transformation and growing the businesses through digital comes down to how you're going to use the power of data, okay? Power of data is what truly makes digital transformation and innovation possible. However, it's the same data which now creates whole host of issues because of regulatory requirements due to tons of both brand protection as well as regulations that are making all enterprises to think about how they're going to protect the customer data or customer privacy. The two things have to come together to really provide the best solution, to address the policy requirements, to address the requirements for moving and innovating with speed. Now, what we have built is this solution called VMware Sovereign Cloud. VMware Sovereign Cloud is designed for 5 things: sovereign security, sovereign compliance, sovereign control, sovereign autonomy, and sovereign innovation. And how we do it, there are 3 core principles or tenets of this. First, how do we make sure that when the data is coming into a cloud, into a sovereign cloud, it is protected. It is protected not just from traditional north-south protection ways, but the biggest threat of data getting lost is now through lateral security. So making the infrastructure that's strong enough to have lateral security built in. You're going to hear more about that in this entire Explore event through the next 2-3 days, but also likely over the course of next few hours as part of this summit. Second, how do we make sure that the data is, as you're building new digital innovation, data is portable and interoperable. This is where our infrastructure, whether it's for traditional IaaS or Kubernetes, having a consistency across various different cloud solutions, give our customers that interoperability and portability. But we are really, as I would call, in this solution, an arms dealer. We're providing the technology. We don't actually make the solutions. The solutions are provided by our partners. The partners, some of whom are there. We have 10 partners, actually probably all 10 of them are here in this room, who have taken our technology along with standards that we have published that are listed here and built full solutions in the marketplace. And in this conference, we are also announcing that our Tanzu portfolio, which is our Kubernetes portfolio, will also become part of our sovereign cloud stack, giving our solution partners both IaaS as well as Kubernetes as a service solution into the market. So, tons more to discuss. I want to welcome you to the first Sovereign Cloud Summit that we are hosting, and I believe this is the exact thing that the industry needs, bringing together customers, partners, and policymakers to discuss this important topic. And we are glad to be the ones hosting it.